hear those 5 courses, which will help students to make career in
Five
fintech.
specific courses
Yeah.
that student can do for demonstrate their skills in fintech,
Fintech domain.
and they should do actually. One is basically artificial intelligence and machine learning areas
True.
where they can learn this. But for that they need some develop technical skills. So basically good for those who have done computer engineering and doing finance, or engineering with coding, they're doing finance. And basically these skill set are required for the fraud detection, then investment advisories, and then real-time transactions, all this. At the same point of time, there are blockchain technologies. I mean, it's not about all cryptocurrencies that we're talking about blockchain, but it is also like creating smart contracts or third-party guarantees, or we can say tamper-proof record-keeping system. So everywhere these kind of technologies are required, and now I mean the government is saying that improve your compliance system in such a way that less number of fraud takes place in the organization,
Right.
and you are compliant automatically within the
Right.
system. Like I mean, पहले ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट खोलते थे, I mean लोग जाते थे ब्रोकर के पास, बैठो फॉर्म भरो, अभी कुछ नहीं. You go to icdirect.com.
Yes, you can open the
And
account.
within 15 minutes your account is open.
Right.
Go to Upstocks and go to
5 paisa, Zerodha, they are too even faster.
Yeah, Zerodha
actually. Even faster.
And again another thing that they can do. One is cyber security courses.
Right.
So that protecting the network systems and data integrity in a financial system,
Certainly.
as well as the Python also.
Python is important. Yes.
So
definitely.
Python, if you looking for a fintech industry, knowledge of finance is essential, but knowledge of Python is also, at least basic knowledge of Python is also essential.
Okay, sir. Perfect.
So you can help. Sometimes it is not required that you need to be a very good coding expert, but domain expertise and basic background of coding is necessary.
Okay.
I mean, three of my students, they're working in TCS. And they are saying that, I mean, sir, those courses that you have suggested, like doing some short-term courses like investment advisory by NISL, there are 2 modules given for to become a SEBI-registered investment advisor. So there are 2 short-term courses also, which a student must do to get into a wealth management or investment advisory services.
Right.
Or some of the courses which are related to capital market, like derivatives. So these are basically gives you knowledge, but there's a very requirement is from the compliance side. So if you want to work, then when you join the organization, you have to do those cources. So why not get shortlisted by doing the courses beforehand? So that's what I wanted to say. Which
no, actually, certification courses help a lot because that gives you a little bit extra advantage over and above your peer group. Because by the time they join the B school and they get to learn everything, you are already ahead of the crowd. So that gives you confidence also. So thanks a lot for suggesting those courses, sir.
That's why we have taken this time NSE with us, NSE Academy, and we are providing the students 36 certifications from NSE.
Oh,
and
wow.
This is purely online driven. Once they will complete the course, they'll give the exam online and they'll get the certificate. So total 36 certifications in various areas in finance. So that also we are providing to the student, and that also at free of cost.
Wow, that's amazing. That's actually included in your fees, or it's completely free?
It's completely free.
Wow, I've never seen any B school doing that. I think Vivekananda is doing a fantastic job in finance as well.
Yes.
Great, thank you so much, sir, for adding those 5 courses, and definitely I think those who are interested will definitely try to pursue them.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.